Now, despite the recent resurgence of interest in Yiddish, there are still some who say that Yiddish is a dead or a dying language. What do you think?
You know, we've had conversations about that at Steiner last year, and you know, it's spoken. You know, it might not be spoken by a huge number of individuals, but it's spoken. It's written. There are so many books where you can engage and read and encounter it. So, especially given how much fun some of these books are, and you know, if you're reading Mottel right now, and you know, I crack up laughing while translating it because it's funny, and so the idea of a language that can crack you up as being a dead language, at some level it just doesn't make sense or compute to me. The notion that a certain number of people need to be speaking it, or that there is some moral obligation to speak the language, I'm not sure that I feel that. I think that you know, it's there, and there are a lot of folks who I think pursue it because they love pursuing it, and the notion of it being dead or dying or any of these things are two crucially important points to kind of waste too much time worrying about.